Hello everyone, in this video I will compare ProjectionLab versus Retirement. ProjectionLab and NewRetirement, new called Bolt-in, are both powerful retirement planning tools, but they cater to slightly different types of users. ProjectionLab is a user-friendly and beautifully designed tool for planning your financial future. It lets you create detailed retirement plans by adding income, expenses, savings, and goals over time. The visuals are smooth and interactive, making it fun to explore different what-if scenarios. You can see how small changes like retiring early or saving more affect your future. It's great for people who like building their own plans without needing a financial advisor. Even though it doesn't go as deep into taxes or healthcare as some other tools, it's perfect for high-level planning. Bolt-in, formerly NewRetirement, is a powerful financial planning tool that helps you build a detailed roadmap for retirement. It covers everything from savings, income, and investments to taxes, social security, and healthcare costs. The platform's got you step by step, so even if you're not a financial expert, it's easy to understand. You can test different life scenarios like downsizing your home or changing when you retire, and you see how that affects your future. It's very detailed and great for long-term planning with real numbers and smart advice. The interface isn't as flashy as some tools, but it's packed with features. Overall, ProjectionLab is better for visual, hands-on planning, while Bolt-in is better for deep, comprehensive financial forecasting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.